experiencing slow speeds, dropped connections, or a frozen gateway, a remote restart or reboot is a simple fix. It clears temporary glitches without affecting your settings. Avoid physically unplugging the device. Software restarts are preferred to prevent hardware wear. As of October 2025, the T-Mobile app for iOS and Android version 25.3.1 and WebUI at //192.168.12.1 are the primary ways to remotely reboot your T-Mobile 5G gateway. Make sure you have your T-Mobile home internet account active, a stable internet connection to access the interface, and your device admin credentials. For the app method, download and open the T-Mobile app, then navigate to restart the device. For the Web UI method, open a browser to the gateway's IP address and reboot through the system settings. To restart via the T-Mobile app, download the app, log in, tap Internet, then Device, and finally restart device. Confirm the action. Alternatively, using the Web UI, open a browser, enter 192.168.12. Log in, go to Advanced, then System, and select Reboot. The gateway typically takes 2 to 5 minutes to restart, during which the lights will flash and connectivity will drop. Avoid restarting more than once daily to prevent overheating. Check for firmware updates first, as reboots don't fix underlying issues like signal interference. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support.